Gotten a lot of requests on how to install this. The lower oil cooler guard. So it's pretty simple. It's actually just 9 bolts. It sandwiches right there so you don't take anything off. You keep this right in place. And then you use this new hardware here. So these are spacers. These will go on the top. These are 8mm. The ones that come out are 10. So replace it with an 8. Washer, like so. And then we take these 9 out. I'll show you which 9 it is. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 3 exact same ones on the other side. So pretty simple installation. Again, it's to protect this oil cooler from anything popping up. I'll show you what it looks like when it's already done, but that's pretty much it. To wrap up that install, here we go. You can see all 3 in the front, 3 on the side. The rubber grommet here sticks out. This square faces down. Yeah, it's pretty solid. I even added a little extra mesh in there, hard to see, but put a little zip ties here. Maybe for the small rocks. But yeah, it's pretty solid. It ain't going anywhere. So, it's a little rattly because the front bumper's not on yet, but otherwise, it's pretty solid. And we're back here with the G87, as you guys know. Installing a grill here because otherwise it's gonna get destroyed. So on the G87 automatic, you do get some grills here, but you get nothing here, and you get nothing into the brake duct. So originally I was just gonna put this one, but since I had extra material, I said why not? And I put some in here, and I put some in here, and this one is zip tied because it's very hard. It's a very big opening, so I've got 4 zip ties. It's metal, it's fairly sturdy, it'll be fine. This one just has a little bit of silicone here and here just to hold it in place. Again, most of the wind deflection is going to go this way, so it's not going anywhere. And then similar to this one's just going to have a couple. This one's not in there yet, but just mocking it so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's kind of wedged there now. I'm going to put some glue into these corners. And anyways, this one already has some protection, so whatever, double protection, no big deal. Besides that, you guys probably want to know how to take off this bumper. I followed a tutorial for a G80. They're pretty much the same. You pop this piece here. It's got to be careful with these little tabs in here and here and here. You actually have to squeeze them out, not in like I thought originally, but fairly easy to do. Then you have the T30s right here. All these, once those are out, you can literally just slide the top off. Then you got to do the bottom. The bottom is a bunch of 10mm, look like those, all along the edge. Fairly easy. There's 2 push pins, but I actually didn't need to take them off, so I left them on. They actually stay here. And the hardest part is actually these. So you have to get 3 of these out. 1, 2, 3. These are 10. Then you got to move this over. And in here are 2 8mm that are stuck onto the bumper. Those are a pain to get to. Not impossible, but a pain. Let's see, where are they? Here's what the T30s look like. They're not even on there that tight. And here's what the 8mm look like. They're long, that's the pain. They're long, but they're not on there that tight either. So, lastly, this is the only connection I had to disconnect. I don't have adaptive cruise control, so this was it for me. And this is one that you actually pull back. You don't really squeeze, you just pull back on this and then it slides out. So yeah, I haven't done this side yet, but you can kind of see how open that is for the brake ducts. And here, if this will focus, it's too dark. Here you go, give you some light. Ta-da! So it does have some protection in there, but not a whole lot. This thing's pretty flimsy plastic. And then this, here you can see it's made out of metal. So, pretty sturdy. I put a zip tie on this side, same on the other side, and 2 on the bottom. Should be pretty good. Should be pretty good. The grill does a pretty good job up here. And it's got this as well. I don't know why they didn't put one of these everywhere, but hey, save a buck, I guess. So I will update tomorrow when I have the whole bumper on and see how it